and so many people, that's for sure. Hey, we saw a great truck up here. Now, we went to Truck World, and Truck World is known for the indoor trucks, the new trucks, the Kenworths and the Peterbilts. They're all there showing off their latest prize, what it would be. So it was great to see this one here, brought to us by RS2000 Tax Services and Chrome Supply Warehouse. This cool Cabover sitting in Hall 4. No, actually in Hall 3. It was in our hall, actually, now that I think about it. This is from Jade. They're out in Winnipeg. This thing is a very, very sweet ride, and I had a chance to talk with the driver that brought it down, and he said it's a working truck. They work it every summer up there. It goes on the logging roads and everything, and so he said it's hard to keep it up, but he kept it up and kept it down. So this thing, I think, is just one sweet ride. It's a 352 Peterbilt for sure. It's got all the stuff. It was in the Shell booth is where it was. Throughout Hall 3 there, so you can go and take a look at it. I tried to get in here. I like that it's the triple axle that's got here, and this is a real old girl that you don't see very much of anymore, but certainly well preserved, if you will. So this one here, it's called Full Tilt, and it's it says class, not expensive, but priceless. So this is a 1979 Peterbilt 352. It's got an 18-speed 500 cat in it, 355 rear ends, and 240-inch wheelbase. And apparently this was built by, now if you know the Jade fleet at all, they have a super, super nice fleet. All their trucks are done like this. They're either this one, I'm not sure if it was down at, it might have been down at Matt's. I think he said he was down there. So these guys keep their trucks pristine. Their drivers are pristine. Really nice fleet. They haul tanker most of the time, food grade tanker and stuff. And so very well, nice to see this. Just look at the stainless on this and just how well it's taken care of. And this thing is a working truck. One of the reasons I really like this is to show everybody the pride of the industry and the professionalism of the industry, because this is what it's all about right now, is when you get someone taking care of their vehicle like that. So applause to all of the people doing that for sure. All right.